And welcome back to WaggMore Pet Boutique. We opened our doors in 2017 to love, serve, and adore your four-legged ones. We are quickly growing and in need of more room. We found our new location, which happens to be an old bank. So come join us on our flip and next storefront location before we open this fall. Hi, welcome back to another video from WaggMore Pet Boutique at our new location in just a few months. Just wanted to give you a quick update since our last video. Our entryway where the ATM used to be was all boarded off. That is all sheetrock and spackled, and we'll be doing this little foyer next for paint. We have all our inside again painted. All our trim work is all complete. Don't mind the mess. We're painting our storage room and our future washer dryer / utility sink room. The accent wall wood took a little bit longer than I thought it would to come in, so it came in, it took about a week. Just picked it up. They notified me it was ready today. And we're gonna start applying and cutting all our pieces to fill this back wall. Our accent wall is all complete. Not bad for a one-day event. Really good, stands out. I just have to add now I think it's called quarter round molding. I'll attach this to the edge to hide any uneven cuts all around the top and the sides. Very pleased with how the accent wall came out. It's gonna really pop. It'd be a nice accent to the pink. Shit.